In this training video, we are going to add the functionality to our animals website for an administrator to add a record to the database. That record will then be able to be viewed by the general public. What will happen is you'll be able to click on the administration screen, insert record, and then add an animal. And this animal will appear on this home page. And then you'll be able to click on the link and go into the information entered. So let's do that. Inside Dreamweaver, we have our home page. Just as an administrative issue, I did add a link on my home page and linked it to my admin page. I did that because I'll be clicking back and forth on the administration page and login page quite a bit, and it's a good idea to have a link to that admin page. Now, in order to make the insert record page, I'm going to go File, New. I will create a dynamic PHP page. I'm going to give it a title, Insert Animal. Maybe I will drag a graphic over here. Animal, we'll name it for the tag option. Insert an animal. I'm going to save this, and we will save it as insert. And we're going to say OK. Now that I've done this, this is pretty easy. Dreamweaver will write the code for us. I'm going to go to Insert, Application Objects, Insert Record, and I'm going to choose Record Insertion from Wizard. Now as you do this, there's another way to get to Insert Record screen, but I recommend taking this path using the Insert dropdown, Application Objects, Insert Record. That will give you this Form Wizard option. Now, I choose my animal connection. I'm going to choose the animals database. After inserting, I want to go to my home page. I'm going to say OK. Now here are the different columns and the different labels I can use. The page ID is going to be a number that we do not want visible. It's used in the database to kind of retrieve information. I'm going to change this to a hidden field. Now the database is configured that every time a record is added, the ID will go up one number, and there's no need for the user on the internet to see that. Animal name, we will leave that as a text field. Description, we will want to be a text area. Now, I create the box and I say, oh, I made a mistake here. Animal name, I want to make sure that is a text field. I'm going to say OK now, and I'm going to save this page. I'm going to upload it. Well, something I have to do here is on the administration page, I'm going to make a link to add a animal. I highlight add a animal. I link it to my insert page. I save it. I upload it. I'm going to go to my home page, press F12, and by pressing F12 we will preview this web page, and we will log in as an administrator. We'll log in, and now there's a link to add an animal. There's my animal name, and we will add a zebra. All about zebras. I want to add more content here, and we will work on a way of giving a more visual, kind of what is called a WYSIWYG interface for these text areas that will insert HTML. But right now we're inserting straight text. Now I click on Insert Record, and look what has happened. Now on my home page, there's a new record displayed, the zebra, and when I click on it, there is my link, all about zebras. That concludes this video.